Welcome to the Windows Insider channel, and this is the little video for the cumulative update that was released today for Windows 10 Fall Couriers Update. If you're on Windows 10 Fall Couriers Update, there was a cumulative update January 31st, 2018. Now, there's nothing in the security side on this, so don't hurry up if you want to install it later on or just in a couple of days, because there's really nothing that has to do with security, so it's not a big rush. But it is this one, the cumulative update for Windows 10 KB 405-8258, and it was released at 1 p.m. today. It's only a fall careers update, so it, well, of course, since more than 75% of the people are now updated, this will be of course for a lot of people. It addresses compatibility issues where colors are distorted when the system is connected to displays that support a wide color gamut. It addressed a condition where a second monitor, if you have a legacy AMD adapter or AMD chip for displaying, it might actually have flickering or flashing of the screen when you have a second screen when you come back from sleep. So this was fixed. Addressing the issue that causes delays when switching keyboard languages. So there were some delays there. Addressed compatibility issues with rendering certain closed caption and some subtitle formats on video playback. They address an issue where Microsoft Edge allow extension group policy for the disabled state was not working. Provides additional protection for 32-bit versions of Windows 10. And finally, if you were one of those that had a problem with the original January the 3rd update, where AMD, the update for the meltdown security flaw, some AMD PCs with older AMD processors would not boot up. Well, this is fixed in this build. Now, one word of caution, you might not see this update coming through because the requirement is that you have the Meltdown patch installed. And if you didn't have the Meltdown patch installed, what's happening is that this update will not show up, as it will be blocked as long as you don't have that update. And what might be blocking? Well, for the most part, third-party antiviruses. So if you're using, anything else than the Windows Defender antivirus on Windows 10, make sure that it's updated to the latest version, because that is probably what's preventing the update from coming through. And once you have that installed, well, the latest version of Windows 10 now is 16.299.214, and that's where we are at. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.